circle, Yuvraj Valmiki.
It's the moment he had been dreaming and waiting for. Yuvraj Valmiki scored the winning goal against Pakistan in the final, making his team and the nation proud.
When I stepped on the hockey field and took the penalty stroke, I scored a winning goal against Pakistan. So I think that was my altogether a different Yuvraj Valmiki, from a darkness to a light. So the journey reflects to a darkness to light, I think, in spur of a moment. Yeah, it's just just a change for a minute. I think overnight I was a champion, I think.
Perhaps this is what dreams are made of. A boy from the slums of Mumbai who went on to become a promising hockey player. Armed with nothing but self-confidence, today he dons the national colours on his jersey with pride.
I think my willpower, dedication towards my aim, and I always had an aim to play for the country. And it started in 1999 when I picked up the hockey stick. एक ही चीज सोचा था, I want to get tricolor on my chest.
Recognized as one of the finest young talents in the game, his foray into the national side has been fraught with many hurdles. Yuvraj, along with his family of 5, lived in a small shanty in Mumbai without electricity and other basic amenities for many decades.
जो हमारे बैकग्राउंड था, जो 40 साल किसी घर पे लाइट नहीं, एंड वी डिडंट हैड डोर आल्सो इन हाउस, तो एक पर्दा था सिर्फ, तो 40 साल तक वो पर्दा स्ट्रीट लाइट के नीचे पड़ना, एंड वी यूज्ड टू गो टू टॉयलेट्स एंड ऑल, शौचालय में, वहाँ पे हम लोग नहा के आते थे, फिर स्कूल जाते थे, फिर प्रैक्टिस करते थे. जब मैंने हॉकी स्टार्ट किया था, मैं सुबह 5 बजे उठ के हमारे कंपाउंड में खेलता था टिल 6 o'clock.
His family struggled to make ends meet from the meager incomes of his father, who worked as a driver.
There was times, mom couldn't provide us a proper meal. Like, we were 4 brothers and we used to skip meals at times. And when I used to go for training, I still remember for 4 years continuous, I used to take a Parle-G packet to the stadium and eat that whole thing during the training, before the training, after the training. So I think I survived on Parle-G, I think, but I never, creeped about it.
महीने का अपना इतना बजट रहता है, उसमें हमने कमी किया, अपने आप को कम करके और उसको पूरा उसका एंजॉय पूरा किया. मतलब तू पहला चल, हम तो एक बार खाएंगे, एक बार नहीं खाएंगे तो भी चलेगा.
But nothing deterred young Yuvraj. Clarity of his ambition made him turn his weaknesses into strength with only one goal in mind.
There's no shortcut for hard work. मैं फटे शूज़ पे नंगे पाँव पे खेल के I have worked hard. And you won't believe, मेरे पास जब जो मार्कर्स आते थे ना, कोन्स, वो कोन्स खरीदने के पेरेंट्स के पास पैसे नहीं थे 200-300 रुपए के. तो ये जो ईटा आती है ना, ब्रेक्स, आई यूज्ड टू ब्रेक, और मैं तोड़ के ऐसे 10 ईटा जमा करके 20 कोन्स बना के आई यूज्ड टू गो एंड प्रैक्टिस. वी यूज्ड टू ट्रेन ऑन द मड और इधर कंक्रीट पे. तो जब मड पे हम खेलते थे 3 साल कंटिन्यू, मैं 3 बजे आता था, 20-25 बकेट्स उठा के बाल्टी, एज ऑफ 10 years, पूरे ग्राउंड पे सिर्फ पानी मारता था मट्टी पे, ताकि दूसरे 5 बजे लड़के लोग आएंगे खेलने के लिए, उनको अच्छा ग्राउंड मिले.
But even on the field, luck was not on his side. Yuvraj Valmiki was rejected by the junior hockey camp 13 times, the toughest period in his life. But that too didn't dent his resolve to go on playing the game.
I was dropped 13 times in the junior Indian team from 2011 to 2011. I've never been picked in the junior team. So 13 times I was continuously dropped from the camp. But that's what I said, that's the same. And whenever I used to drop from the junior team, I always thought, no negative points, only positive. Something is lacking in me, that's why I'm not in the team. So that was my motto, no problem. एक बार drop किया, next camp when I go, I'll be so strong that they have to take me.
That time when he was small also, he was very good in scoring goals. And in frame, I think if you will wake him at night time and you will tell him to come on the ground and hit, he'll score out of 100 he'll score in.
A forward striker himself, he feels blessed to have been trained at the institute started by Dhanraj Pillai, his idol and inspiration.
I think professionally and personally, he was always there for me. And you know, when I started playing hockey, and everyone thought Dhanraj Pillai, everyone knows he's a legend. So I always had a dream to be under him once. So in 2006, I played with him, and I was in academy. I still remember Dhanraj Pillai gave me the first stick of his and his jersey. And you know, once he had given me a jersey of number 9, and he used to always wear number 9. So I thought, you know, the day if I play for the Indian team, I'll wear number 9. And till date, by God's grace, I have number 9 with me, and that's my lucky number.
Known as the Prince of Indian Hockey, Yuvraj's story is an overwhelming one. Despite tasting success, he remains level-headed and focused, making him an inspiration for his teammates.
Even if I become the best sportsman, I'll still be the same, because I know what I've gone through in my life. I won't forget my past. So that's how I think that वो parents लोग ने मुझे सिखाया कि आप कितना भी बड़े हो जाओ, हमेशा अपने feet grounded होना चाहिए. So I think even if I make big in hockey one day, I'll still be grounded. You'll see me like this only.
I saw how much he practiced, so much dedication and all. Morning, evening, he would practice like this. And after that, when we finish the practice, he used to do extra practice and all. It's so dedicated. Because of that, today he is Yuvraj.
His brother Devinder followed in his footsteps and picked up the hockey stick. And now it's double the joy for their parents as they see both their sons represent the country.
उसका बून लड़का दोस्त था, उसका फोटो आया था पेपर में. वो मेरे को बोला कि मम्मी मेरे को भी एक दिन मेरा भी फोटो आना चाहिए पेपर में, मैं भी देखना चाहता हूँ. मैं बोला ठीक है. मैंने पूरा सपोर्ट उसको किया. मैंने उसको बोला कि बेटा तू खेल, अच्छा खेल.
I think that's the biggest support I got from my parents. They never restricted in my dream. They always were there, you know, to support me, encourage me. In my downfalls, they've always, you know, made me realize, no, Yuvraj, you have to achieve big, you have to make it big. So उनका support हमेशा से मेरे लिए था, and I think, you know, that was the main thing that kept me going.
Years of hard work have finally borne fruit for this young hockey player. But more importantly, it brings with it the promise of a better future for Yuvraj and his family.
कुछ चीज़ को पाने की खुशी और उसको खोने का खौफ के बीच में अगर जिंदगी जियोगे तो उसमें मजा है. I want to see one day Indian hockey rise again, and you know, if you go anywhere across market, any shopping mall, I want to see many hockey players being recognized by people.